Building a Java to-do app with notifications superpowers. Introduction. Welcome to Task Mastery. In this project, we will explore the process of developing a Java to-do app applications with integrated notifications, preparing the enhancing of your productivity with acquiring valuable coding skills. Why a to-do app? A to-do app helps to manage the task efficiently, serving a digital assistance for the organizing daily activities. It allows the user to formalize the activities, set deadlines, and track process in real time. By creating your own, you can tailor and features your specific needs, such as reminder categories, while also engaging your coding skills and understanding the development principles. This project will not so improve in productive but also faster creative and problem solving abilities in the programming. Key features of overuse. Our app will include essential features like task creations, editing, deletions, and smart notifications. These functionalities will ensure the user to stay on the top of their task and meet deadlines efficiently. Setting up the environment. Before coding, ensure you have the necessary tools, a Java Development Kit (JDK), and IDE like Integral or Ellipse, and the basic understanding of Java syntax. These setups are crucial for the smooth development and experience. Project structure. Model represent task, controller like manager task operations, view user interface. Task model. Attribute title. The name of the task is completed. A boolean indicates whether the task is completed. Constructor like initializing the task with a little and setting the complete or fail. Method. Get title returns and task little title. Marks completed marks the task completed. To string, return a formatting string representing the task, giving the class name as to do the app. Task managers. Attribute like task, a list to store a task objects. Method, add a task, adding a task to the list, getting the task and returning the list from the task, removing the task and moving to remove the task from the list. Setting up the GUI. JFrame, the main window of the application. JPanel, a constructor that holds the complements of the text field and the buttons. JTestField, an input field to ensure the enter their task, and JButton, a button that has a task like list. JList, a list complements and displayed to the list of the task. The default list will model allows to dynamic updates of the lists. User interface. Components. JFrame, main application window. Default list model. Task model for the task list. JList task displays the list from the task constructor. Initializing the task managers and UI components. Adds a action to listener to the add text button. Method to add a text promotes the task title and create a task and update the list. Adding smart notification. Incorporate smart notification using Java timer scheduling executor services. This feature will alert the user to upload the upcoming details and deadlines, helping them to stay organized and proactive in the managing their tasks. Testing your application. Testing is crucial for ensuring the functionalities works as the expected. Performing until the test for the individual components and integration test to verify overall performance of your to-do app. User feedback and interactions. Gathering the user feedback to identify the areas for improvement, using the information to integrate on your apps, adding features to refine the existing based on your experience and suggestions. Publishing your apps. Once it is satisfied with the apps, consider the publications it share a critical with the friends and platform like GitHub. This will not only showcase your works but also invites you collaborate with future requirements. Let's take a simple example and run the code. So let's take the example as public class to do app and wide main as string and args. And let's make as the input as please enter a task and set it for a 3 second to implement the code. So let us run the code. The code has run successfully, giving the task as hello world. As the task is added, you can see that the hello world is displayed. Don't forget clicking next, OK, and we will close the bar and we run once again the code, giving the input as hi and add task. It shows that I. Learning outcomes. By the end of this project, you will get to have gained valuable skills in Java, programming, user interface design, and task managers. You will also understanding the importance of the user feedback in software developments. Conclusions. Conclusion. On exploring the task mastery, building a Java to-do app with smart notification is rewardable experience. Continuing ensuring your skills and consider tracking more complex projects in the futures. Thank you for watching my video.